same function. Here we'll be calling functions. Okay, controller action. Go to the helper of this. Again, save all. So here now it is empty. Okay, what I'm going to ask, inside the application you can get all the values. I mean, or we can call the components. How we can call C colon. C means namespace. I have already explained you. C means namespace and it's called as common namespace. Okay. So namespace is nothing but a storage or workspace where we can create all these lightning components, applications and everything. So whatever you are going to create, everything will be inside the common namespace. Okay. So if you want to create new namespace here, you can create new namespace should be created by using the Salesforce request. Okay. So here addition. Okay, is a component. Simple. Okay, addition CMP. Okay, this is the component name. See here will be displayed the same way. And here, if you want to pass some values to the attributes, let's say number one, I want to pass the value to the number one. So wherever you are calling the component, here you can give number one equals to 30, number 2 equals to 40. See, here values will be passed to here, but it's not performed any addition, right? So that's how you can pass the values to the components from the any application or component. Let's say here I have only one addition functionality. Let's say you can call any number of times. See, give like 20, it will be called twice. Okay, 20, 30. Now this is the way of how you can perform. Let's say if you perform add, it will be done. If you perform add here, it will be done here. Okay. Now instead of doing this one, whenever we okay, I will explain handlers later. No worries. So this is for today's class. What you have to practice. Okay. First application. Try to understand what is application. What are the attributes are there. Okay, and what are the different types of attributes here? Attribute, okay, access modifiers, types. What are the value types? Okay, checkbox, boolean, integer, string, then a list will be allowed. Okay, all these things as objects will be open. Okay, like that, and the name. What is the default values? Okay, how to declare the attributes, then how to use the attributes. The same functionality you have to learn. Then tomorrow I'll explain some other concepts like handlers and others. So we'll go through the okay. It takes 1 week of time for you guys to for me to complete the training on our components. Okay, take care guys. Any questions on this? Kruti, Ramesh, Sathi. I think for Ramesh and Satya it will be easy because they know all the Java concepts. Kruti, pause the recording. See, we have, when we were creating the Lightning component, we have implemented some interfaces like app hostable available for all page types, lightning quick action. Okay, so that means app hoster means you can create tabs. However, you have created the custom object tabs, the same way you can create the lightning component tabs. Okay, see here. When you implement the app hostable interface. So tabs you can have here lightning component tabs. So let me create a tab called addition. So here all this will be there. What is this? Addition CMP. This is our component. You can give the name addition. Okay. You can give some type as well. What are the style you need to perform? Okay. Then click next. You know this how it will be. Save. Okay. And addition tab will be there. Just add this here. Can okay. You can create tabs or quick actions for lightning components only, not for lightning application. Okay, and using lightning components only you can create the tabs or quick actions and everything. I'll explain one by one later using the quick actions and everything. For now, just learn about this one. What is attribute, how to create this one, create a tab, and try to understand what are the other components and others. Okay, so just go through this one: lightning buttons, button groups, button menus. All cannot be explained in the class. You just go through all these things. I'll explain whatever it is important. Those things I'll explain. Okay, so input field and explain. Okay, okay guys, Kriti, you can stop recording.